Welcome back to class. We have this set question giving n equal to the set of x, where x is less than 1 and less than 20. X is an integer. And we have p such that x is a multiple of 3. X is a subset of the universal set. And we also have q such that x is a prime number where p and q are subset of the universal set n. We want to find p intersect q prime, p prime union q, and p union q prime. Before we can solve these three questions, we have to write out what our numbers represented. We have been given the value of the number in a set notation, and we have to write it out. So the first thing we'll be writing out is the universal set. X is between 1 and 20. So 1 will not be included and 20 will not be included. So let's take the integer numbers between 1 to 20. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. These are the numbers between. Then the second value is p. We have to find the value of p such that from this universal set, the number that we have, p is a multiple of 3. Any number between 2 to 19 that is multiple of 3 is the number we want to pick. The first multiple of 3 here is 3. The next multiple of 3 is 6. Multiple of 3, 9, that is third counting of 3. Then the next one is 12. We have 15 and 18. These are the multiples of 3. And the next one is q, such that x belonging to the universal set, the set of all prime numbers, set of the prime number. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number itself and 1. They are the prime numbers. So between 2 to 19, what are the prime numbers that we have? 2 is a prime number. 2 is an even number, but yes, it is a prime number because 2 has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. And the next one is 3. We have 5, 7. 9 is not a prime number because 3 is divisible by 9. So the next one is 11. We have 13. The next one is 17 and 19. All these numbers are numbers that have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So the first question asks us to find p intersect q prime. P intersect q prime. So before we can find the intercept, we already know the element of p. We have to calculate the element of p prime, q prime. What do we mean by q prime? Q prime are the elements that is not in q, but we have in the universal set. Numbers that are not in q, but that are in this universal set. So what are the q prime? Numbers that cannot be found here, but that is here. So the first number is 3. Okay, we have 3 here. So 3 is not included. 2 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, but 4 is not here. The first number is 4. We have 5 here, 5 is here. 6 here, 6 is not here. So we have 6. 7 is here, 7 is here. 8 is here, 8 is not here. The next number is 8. 9 is here, 9 is not here. So we have 9. So then we have 10. 10 is not here. We have 10. So there is 11 here, we have 11 here. We have 12 here, 12 is not here. I believe you are following. There is 13 here, 13 is here. 14 is here, 14 is not here. So we pick 14. Then 15 is here, 15 is not here. 15. 16 is here, 16 is not here. 16. Then 17 is here, 17 is here. So we neglect that one. 18 is here, 18 is not here. So we pick 18. 19 is here, 19 is here. So, so what do we mean by the p intersect q? That is the number that we have in p and are also in q prime. Number that is common to element p and elements of Q prime. So what are the common number? Q, P and Q prime. This is Q prime and this is P. So any common element, 3 is here, 3 is not here. 6 is here, 6 is here. The first common number is 6. Okay, we are working with P and Q prime. So this is P. 9 is here, 9 is there. So it is common. Then what else? We have 12 here, 12 is here. So then we have 15. 15 is here too. So we have 15. So then 18 is here. Sorry. So P intersect Q prime is 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So the next one is B. We have to calculate P prime union Q. P prime union Q. Like I've said earlier, I said P prime, they are the elements in this universal set but are not in P. Elements in universal set that are not in P. So there is 2 here. 2 in universal set, 2 is not here. So let's find the P prime first. So the first number is 2. Are we following? Followed by, there is 3 is here, 4 is here, 4 is not here, 4. Followed by 5. Do we have 5 in the element of P? No. So 5 is there. So there is 6 is not here. Okay, we have 6 here, 6 here. So 7 is here, 7 and 8. 7, 8. Okay, 9 is here, 9. So 10 and 11. 10, 11. So after 10 and 11, there is 12 here, 12 is here, 13, 14. 13, 14. So there is 15, 15 is here, 16 is here, 16 is not here, 17 is not here, and 19. So we have 16, 17, and 19. These are the P prime, the elements that we have in the universal set, but they are not in P. So then we find the union. What do we mean by the union in set? It means the combination of the element of P prime and Q. Union, we match them together. That is the meaning of union. So P prime union Q prime. So this is P prime and this is Q. P union Q. So we are combining this and this together. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there 6? No. 7, 8. Is there 9? No. 9. Then we move to 10, 11, 12 here. No. 13. Which other one? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 19. These are the union of the two. That is the combination of Q, P prime, and Q. And the last one is P union Q prime. P union Q prime. So that means we want to find the element of the combination of the elements in P and Q. That is P union Q. The combination of elements in P and Q. So this is P, this is Q. If you combine these two elements together, we have 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Followed by 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 9, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 15, 13, 15, 17, 18, and 19. So let's now find the prime of P union Q. What is P union Q prime now? All the elements in this set that are not in the universal set. We have 2 here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is there. The first number is 4. So we have 4, 5, 6, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is not there, so we have 8. 9, we have 10 here, 10 is not here, so we have 10. Followed by 11, we have 11 here, we have 12 here, we have 13. 14 is not there, so we have 14. 15 and 16 is there, 16. Then 17, 18, 19. This is the P union Q prime.